In the beginning, there was water, and then sun. The calm of sheltered bays, and the first powerful waves. The foreshore, the sky, and its first promise of travel. These sailboats drawn by the hundreds in children's notebooks. Then came the first cheers, the first sea spray, the fun of the open sea, the whistle of the keel, and the wind in the rigging, the fear, the joy, the excitement of the first crossings. Imagine simplicity, elegance. Imagine space and a new sense of style. Imagine the lights and the silence. Imagine the thrill of speed. Imagine those moments with family and friends. Imagine a trip that never ends. Stay tuned for the brand new album.